Gucci store on Rue Saint-Honoré. It's incredible, as you can see. So there's a little lineup over here. So as I'm waiting, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much more than you guys can know. You can also follow me on my Instagram, DVDoubleVanilla. I've created so many reels and photos, so if you want to see some Paris fashion, check out my Instagram. And then I just have to show you this again. I mean, this is so pretty. So this is Concord, Place Concord, just down the street. And then again, like I said, this is the Honoré boutique. So many beautiful mirrors, and can't wait to share everything with you guys. I have to show you how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna show you maybe some ready to wear first. I see lots of sparkles, and then I'm gonna show you some bags. I always love the Gucci ready to wear. They always have such beautiful things. Got some great lingerie. I love their blazers. There's these little Horsebit details on these shoes over here. Really pretty. This I think is lizard. And then look at the brooch detail with the sunglasses. Gorgeous scarves. I'm really glad I came to check out this boutique because I wasn't gonna go see Gucci, but I'm really glad that I came in here because it's such a beautiful boutique. Very eclectic. Glasses. It's a great handbag and python over here. They've got the, I've already forgotten the name of this bag. I used to love this bag. I forget the name of it. But it's in python with the snake head. And I'm sure it'll come to me. Love this one. Here's the Jackie. I remember that. It's got gorgeous embroidery detail. These nice little cardigans. These heels. The Marmont. A beautiful red color. So, yeah, the ready to wear is so pretty. Gorgeous silk dress. Comes with this little belt. This print is really nice. And then their little buttons. This is a great blazer over here. This is so sweet with a little bow. And then look at this with the pleating. I love the pleating on this. Really pretty. This has this little Horsebit detail over here. Really pretty. And then this, I think it's lizard. You know what? Actually, this is probably python. It's just like a dyed red python. Yes, that's what this is. Love the red on it. And then this, it's like a, what material is this? Almost like a raffia. I love the green color. Really pretty. Some jewelry over here. Gorgeous. And look at this. This is so pretty. Very springy. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. Ooh, look at these sunglasses. Very fun. Look at this gorgeous necklace. This is a really cool bag. I haven't seen this one before. It's pretty thin. Love the color, the tan with the gold. You guys can see out on Faubourg Street. It's beautiful. And this gorgeous pink dress. I love it. It's got that pleat in the center. It's really pretty, gorgeous buttons. Really, really pretty. Oh my god, look at the detail on this. It's got the embroidered GGs on there. So pretty. And then I have to show you the sparkles. Look at those sparkles. So pretty. And then their costume jewelry. Look at that. This is really pretty as well. Look at the pearls. This little bracelet over here. Ooh, look at this. Look at the little crystals on that. So apparently the handbags are downstairs. This is such a cute little, you could even, I don't know, maybe put a strap on this. This is so cute. And then these are the Jackie bags. And then there's this one over here, really pretty. Ooh, this cute little one over here. I love this. This is so pretty. There's this like peachy nude color with silver hardware. And they have this new, I don't know what you'd call this, like a cobalt blue. It's really pretty. They also have it in the Marmont color. Ooh, and then this over here. This one here is really pretty. It's like a little mini baby Jackie. And I think this is lizard, I'm pretty sure. This is the Horsebit detail for these wallets. And then there's another little mini Jackie over here. And they've got the bamboo handle one. Those are really interesting. I think that's called the Diana bag. And they're the little mini ones. And there's the other little bamboo one. I also love that necklace with the pearls, if you can see that. And then I think that's the Diana one over there. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, I'm from Paris, but I always
Yeah, this one's really pretty. And there's one. And look at this one. Okay, so this over here is kind of like a so black. It's got the black hardware. And then these, this one, I love this color. Very unique. And then look at the jewelry with the big bug detail. So what do we think of Gucci? I mean, look at that. That's pretty cool. This little bamboo bag over here. Very cute. Okay, so these, put your thoughts down below. These rubber ones. I wonder if these would be comfortable or not. Obviously like a great pool slide. They're rubber, but I wonder if they'd like rub, you know what I mean? 400 euros. These over here. I actually really liked these when they first came out. But now I'm not sure so much. Here's some of the perfume. The Gucci makeup and whatnot is actually quite beautiful. I mean, look how nice that is. Very pretty. They have their classic sneakers. They also have DIY, so you can put your initials on the sneaker, which is pretty neat. And oh, they also have these little platform ones over here. And then there's these. These are, I think they're unisex. Obviously they can be for men or women. These are really sweet. They've Got the Gucci in the back. It always amazes me how brands can just be at the very top of the food chain, and then within like 2-3 years, they just are not as popular. They're just not as popular anymore, you know what I mean? But Gucci has really fun designs. I like the little tiger. These are actually really nice with the canvas. Ooh. Oh, I remember when this design came out. So it has Gucci backwards on it with that cute little cat in a banana. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that Gucci vlog. It was so much fun looking at all of the items. Let me know what you guys think of Gucci. It's just crazy how a brand can be on top one day. They were like the biggest brand with the Gucci Marmont belt, and now they're, you know, not trendy anymore, not as popular, but they still have some great designs, and they're a classic brand, you know? So anyways, I'm excited to share more Paris content with you, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next Paris video. Bye!